Hello and welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this video, we'll be providing you with a quick introduction to Microsoft Office Excel and explaining the user interface in just 2 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, understanding the basics of Excel is essential, and we're here to make it easy for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Excel is a useful tool that will save you time and effort. It has formulas to manage your numbers, make charts, maintain large lists of data, and much more. Let's start by getting to know your Excel spreadsheet. When you open Excel, what you see is called the workbook. As the name implies, this is where you do your work inside the workbook worksheets. You can have as many worksheets as you want. As you can see, there are sheets 1 to 5, and you can add more. At the top of your screen is called the toolbar, with all the features and tabs. You can see these features are very important, and we will review the top most useful ones in future videos. And then there is the formula bar where you type your text and formulas. The workbook has many features. Let's review them first. There are columns. They are identified with letters and they are vertical. Then there are arrows. Rows are identified by numbers and are horizontal. At the bottom there are sheet tabs. Tabs across the bottom of the page. At the top of the page there is the name box. The name box tells you where you are in the workbook. As you can see, we are in column or row 2. We have reviewed the most commonly used terms in Excel. Thank you for tuning into Excel Made Easy. We hope that this quick introduction to the user interface of Microsoft Office Excel has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or would like to see more Excel tutorials, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Excelling!